Parliament Building, Nairobi.
Oromogi mana kana singo ni motelo ni nitiere od Orofa ma ne oluare kardak ma Kasarani bure Nairobi kendo na singo ni jafombo marwa Mary Mwoki ni kuno odani mondo mi adhiane achiel kachiel nyaka Mary Mwoki ma koro nitiere kar masira no mondo mi olerno mathoth ahinya. Now we are crossing over to you, Mary Mwoki. Kindly, right now what we have is that there's a story building that has collapsed in Kasarani, and some people are feared to have been trapped in the rubbles. Can you kindly paint for us the picture of what is transpiring up to now, if the rescue operations are going on, and maybe if there are any rescues so far?
Well, a very good evening to you, George, and you've rightly mentioned that we are still in Kasarani, where a 7-story building collapsed earlier today at around 1:30 p.m. The building was still under construction, and as we speak, rescue operations are going on. It is a multi-sectoral approach. We have personnel from Nairobi City Council, we have the Kenya Defence Forces, and we also have Red Cross also on site trying to, lead the rescue operations. It took about 6 hours for the response teams to get here. The building went down at around 1:30, and they got here at around 5:30, and by the time they did their briefing and got on site to start the operations, it was 7 on the dot. A major concern for residents and workers who are still milling around on the site, saying that their colleagues have been trapped inside for over 6 hours, and many of them feeling that, maybe if rescue operations had begun immediately, they would have, their colleagues who are still trapped inside would have a better chance. Remember, George, that around 5 people have been rescued, and those that were rescued were not trapped in the rubbles. They were on the top stories of the building, and when they saw it going down, they jumped to the adjacent building and were able to be taken, or rather to be moved to safety. So far, the rescue operations have been going on for about 2 hours. No one has been pulled from the rubble. Rescue workers are working hard at it to ensure that they rescue people. Another concern we have is the weather. They are concerned that maybe if the heavens open up, it may make, or rather it may hamper the rescue operations. So for now, no one has been pulled from the rubble. The team here is hopeful that before the night progresses, they will be able to save those that are trapped inside. As of now, we do not have an official number of those that are trapped inside. The foreman and the contractor have not are unreachable at the moment, and so what we have is unconfirmed reports of the number of people trapped inside. But one thing that is common and one feeling that is prevalent here is that they are going to be saved and they're going to be found well and alive before the night progresses. George.
Thank you very much, Mary Mwoki. We hope to get more details as things come out when the operations are continuing on the incident. Ramogi wadhi nyime mana achiel kachiel kowuok Kasarani kama jafwambo marwa Mary Mwoki omiyowa ler ma otenore kod weche mag masira motimore. Kama wacho nyaka gie sani pur kwan ji ma ne ni kanyo koyang malong'o ni mar onge wach mawuok kuom apisago minyalo kaw duondgi kendo kete yamo kotende kod kwan ji hie mane nitiere kanyo. Wageno ni jok ma pod omoko e gokego ibiro yudi